And this is Boston, so that's north to Dundas. And this is south to Queen, and there goes the streetcar right there. See it? Ooh, okay. And our unit is just up there. There's a big gap here. It's all tidy and clean. Let's have a look. So you're coming in just off to the left there from the ground level. And this is all visitor parking here. Just get out of the way of the car. This is all visitor parking along here. So you're driving in directly there through that door, coming straight up the ramp, coming around one corner, and A30 is this blank unit right here. And it has a bike rack, which I believe is that one right there. Well, here we are. Welcome to Unit 605. And we start in the very front entrance. Turn around so you can see it. There's the front door. Got LED lights here. This is the condenser unit, which is ducted throughout the unit with exposed ductwork, as you can see along here. And so this unit is still under warranty. It has been replaced, and so too has the hot water tank, which is quite a large hot water tank. And it's in here. Okay, so all being just redone. And so that hot water tank is new as well. You've got engineered hardwood flooring here. Got a few floor mats down. This is just like one of those picture frame things, but it's great to put your keys down and little bits and bobs when you come down. A nice mirror. We've got another LED light here. The switch for those is just under here. And then you've got your switch for the washrooms. Got a full-length mirror on this wall here, which really opens up that little hallway and entrance to the washroom. But first we'll finish with our closets. So this is technically a walk-in closet. So you can keep lots of stuff in here, including your gas meter. I wouldn't remove that if I were you. So we got lots of space in there. And that's also where the internet router is and things like that. So there's two entrances to this washroom, but before we go in, you'll see we have a Nest, a thermostat. The owner has got it at 17, and the temperature is now, I think, 23 in the unit. The utilities are relatively low because this unit doesn't get too hot and it doesn't get too cold. The furnace is rarely working, condensing, rarely operating. It works. It always works, rarely operates. So we walk in and we've got a full-size deep tub here with this kind of rectangular micro tile on 3 sides. And there's enough room behind the door that we just came in. See if I can zoom out a little bit more. There we go. A little warped, but it'll get the picture. That's a big cabinet there. So there's enough room for that there. On the ceiling light fixture here. There's another medicine cabinet here. And we've got a vanity mirror, vanity lights, the vanity, a turlet, as my mammy would say. This is just vinyl flooring. It's quite soft and it's nice and easy on the eyes and easy on the feet. Towel racks, and then you'd think we have another closet as we exit through to the master or primary bedroom, but this is actually our laundry room, which has a tile floor and a little bit of storage up there, a little lint trap, service hatch for the ceiling. Okay, and then you have a walk-through closets on that side. Why don't we revisit that after we come back to the entrance? Okay. So, as we walk in, we kind of come in towards the kitchen. Got a nice big island with a quartz countertop. So this kitchen has been totally updated. Got extra high cabinetry, got lots of lighting. We've got undermount lighting onto your oversized subway tile, kind of a modern subway tile. You got this feature cabinet here, a stainless steel hood that vents directly out. As you can see, it's always a good thing to make sure is happening in the house you're buying. Don't want it just to vent right back out, right into your face. Really doesn't do much at that point. You got a gas range. There's also gas going to a gas bib outside for barbecue. This is your switch for this light fixture, and we've got some subtle mounted fixtures over here. These ceilings are about 10 feet high, just a smidge less, and they're this kind of wonderful concrete coffer, which I really like. And then you also have this exposed brick, which is painted. There are receptacles in it, which is nice. And so we're opening up pretty much into the living area of the suite. It's pretty wide. You could have facing sofas here. You can see there's lots of space. Let me see if I can get the distortion down a little bit here for y'all. So as we walk around, we've got a column there. Under this beam, we've got another column over here, but they're nice and out of the way. And this is a neat dark wall to put the TV against. Maybe some more art. There's enough depth here to put a whole wall unit here if you wanted. And then you've got a nice living space. There's lots of room to move around the dining room. You could have a larger dining room. You could have a circular table, which might be pretty slick in here. And that's your dimmer for this modern chandelier with these Edison LED bulbs. And here we are. This is so this is, let's get into the second bedroom, or the den. And you've got these floating shelves with these lights. And these lights actually are plugged in, and there's a switch right here. This is a switch receptacle over here. I don't know if it's switched to that. I think it's switched something over there. And then we have a Murphy bed. So this is the Murphy bed down and exposed. It has, again, a little bit of lighting in it as well, which is kind of clever. It's got storage all the way around. It's this gloss white cabinetry, very similar, if not identical, to the kitchen. Everything's in good shape, no chips, nothing like that. That's just the hardware. I don't know if you can see that, for the Murphy bed. This Murphy bed was really easy to drop down. And with that down, it's a queen size bed. We still got lots of room for a desk or a dresser. And with it up, you can, put a carpet here. You could, there's lots of room. And then we also have lots of room for our closetry. And we got a lot of stuff in here, forgive me. We also have some lighting up top. This one? Yeah, that's this one. So that switch is right there. And yeah, we've hidden a few things in here. So you got lots of closet organizers and drawers in here. Let's see if I can give you a better view of some of that. Yeah, we've kind of hidden a lot of stuff in here. So drawers, cabinets, what do you call these again? Oh my God, I've forgotten what those are called. Okay, so either way, lots of room, storage all the way up there. So these are track top and bottom, frosted glass, privacy glass, but I like the two tracks, and they're a good weight, and they slide really nicely. They slide right across and give you that kind of privacy that you'd hope for if you're sleeping over. Makes it a lot quieter. And still got the same flooring all the way through the place. We've got a walkout here to our balcony. We've got transom windows. We've got knockout blinds throughout. We've got shears on rods as well. Over here we have, in the primary bedroom, we also have another walkout. So you can open this place right up But these windows have been permanently frosted. You can remove that frosting if you wish. They also have knockout blinds on the transom windows up here, even up here. So you can really darken the place up. And there is another glass privacy door that goes across here. Slides very easily, as you can see. We have lots and lots of space. Before we get into that bedroom, let's just step outside. So it's a pretty evening, though this is a commercial building across from us. Currently they're doing some renovations here, so the lights are often on until the last person's out. So there are still people working. It's about 4:30 right now, it's about 5:30 right now. But you got a great length here. We've got a barbecue over here. We've got your own air conditioner over here, which again, he doesn't hear very often, doesn't go off very often. And we've got power and a gas bib. And you've got, from here, you've got a nice view, a northern view. It's like a good kind of industrial look, and we've got the same privacy glass, so there's only one neighbor on this side. Down here, you've got a terrace. Nobody's there. There's some terraces over here. They're all below you, and above you are more balconies similar to this one. And this is our walkout from our bedroom. We've got screens, got this kind of finished aluminum business. It's good, it's durable, it's all been well installed, it's clean. There's no issues with the kind of the doors and the locks or anything like that. It's all very simple and straightforward. Got a couple of switches on this wall here. Let's get into our primary bedroom again. That's just going by itself right now. Very, very easy to move. We've got a dead bear on the floor. And we've got a nice little painted feature wall. I like that color. So lots of room in here for, you can put a king size bed if you want, but the queen size bed gives you lots of room. There's also a nice little chair here. So it gives you lots and lots of room. And we've got the same high ceilings all throughout here. And here is the closet. There's 3 doors here, so I can close that off, obviously. And we've got similar organization. I can actually walk right into here and walk right through here. So there's a lot of depth in here. We've still got nice lighting. There's a receptacle up there, which is kind of cool. And a little room for artwork, and we're back to the washroom. So you have your own private entrance to the washroom. If you have a guest over, you can both have your own entrance to the washroom. And that concludes this part of our tour. This is a wonderful unit, 886 square feet plus the balcony. And I'm really excited to have you book an appointment or a showing with your realtor, or reach out directly to me if you don't have one, and we'll get you in here. You can be living in Leslieville.